Good day everyone, and I hope you all are having a great day. Last few days ago, me, Memi, and Kai went to IKEA not for furniture, but to try their food. The place was really clean, the ambience was relaxed, and the crew were all super friendly and helpful. It felt nice just being there. No rush, no pressure, and considering how good everything tasted, the food was actually pretty affordable. Big portions, great flavor, and not too expensive. Now for the food. My favorite food was the fried chicken wings. They taste so good that you don't even need the gravy to dip them in. And honestly, it's the best one for me, even better than their famous meatballs. Speaking of that meatballs, yes, we had them too. Still as good as ever with that gravy and jam on the side, and I'd never get tired of eating them. But the chicken for me, talagang top tier. We also tried the baked salmon, which is a bit tough but tasty, especially when the white sauce and mashed potato was mixed in together. The skewers were really good too. We grabbed them to ourselves, and the sauce tastes like it had a bit of pineapple in it. Super nice. I got the creamy mushroom soup as well, which was full of little mushrooms. The soft bun that came with it, perfect talaga for dipping. Kai also got the opportunity to try their unlimited drinks, which is super affordable and self-service as well. Talagang nagustuhan niya to kasi mahilig siya sa drinks. And of course, I was the one dragging the cart, picking up the food, and after eating, I cleaned up and returned the trays and dishes on their station. That's just how IKEA does it. If you haven't tried IKEA's food yet, you should really try it. Just don't skip the chicken wings. They are really the star.